Hey everybody, I just want to hop on and show you what came today. And you'll have to excuse some of the mess because my husband slept all day, so I haven't done anything. And then I was on a meeting with some of my team members. So anyways, I'm gonna show you what came today. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna flip this around. So we have this love seat. We do have a blanket over it because we do have a teenager that shows up really dirty clothes because he works outside all the time. So this is the color of the couch. It's so comfy. I love my pillows. Like, check out these pillows. They're a blue color. They're so pretty. I love it. So there's that. Then we have the love seat, and I've thrown a kind of a Afghan blanket type thing over it, which matches perfect. I've got my Christmas pillows out. Then in my room, which my room I've not straightened up too much, but it's not too bad. This is my dresser. Oh, I'm so excited. We've never, ever had a full bedroom set. We've had new bed frames, but we've never had an actual bedroom furniture. So I'm so excited. So this here is mine. I have 3 drawers on each side. I have the door here that has shelving there. And then of course I have my bigger drawers on the bottom. I haven't worked on my closet yet to switch out. So then I have, this is Errol's. He's got the drawers here. And then his shelves, as you can see, like they just came today. He slept today because he works this evening. And so that is Errol's. Of course, this was mine. So excited. We didn't need our box springs, so we got to figure out what we're doing with that. This is the bed. Hold on if I can get far enough back. That's our bed frame. Absolutely love it. It's like a farm rustic barnwood look. We have drawers under here, so I'm going to put our sheets in here. And then there's my nightstand. I got to figure out, my wall sconce came from that side, but the mirror there, now I've got to fix all that and rearrange. But that's my nightstand. And then we already had this piece of furniture that all our stuff is on it because we had to move things off of other pieces of furniture. And we just, like I said, we haven't rearranged. But this one was Errol's. And it matched what we got. And so he didn't get a second nightstand, and now he's kind of debating on going back and getting it. But I'm so in love with my new stuff. Like, I'm so excited. We've never ever had our own bedroom furniture. And if you're just hopping on, I'm going to show you my couches that came in. So there's my sofa here. And there's my smaller love seat couch. Absolutely love it. Like we've had couches here before. We've gone through a couple couches. And so like nothing seemed to like really just fit this space. And so today, like sitting on it and just being in the room, it's so comfortable. Like it feels like it fit the room, and I'm so excited. So if you're just hopping on, you'll have to go back and watch my replay that shows the furniture that we got. That way I don't bore everybody and do it all over again. But I'm so excited. We finally found the fit for our room here. We're very particular in our couches. We have a set. We actually sold part of the set that we've had for 15 years to our oldest child. He bought the couch, and then he's wanting my other one, but I haven't given it up yet. I haven't let him buy it. because we love it so much. And so it took us forever to really find a couch that fit. So we bought it from Ashley, and the set we bought, we got in 2 weeks. It was in stock, and so all we had to wait was to get on their list, their delivery list. And so it took us 2 weeks to get our stuff, like both couches. So we go tomorrow to pick up the ottoman. We do have an ottoman that was not in stock at the time, but for some reason we can pick it up at the store tomorrow. Like, I'm not really understanding that. So yeah, so I'm like, absolutely love the furniture. We sat on, I don't know how, we were there for hours, sitting on all kinds of couches because we're very, very particular about, like, we've already had reclining couches that have an armrest in between. Well, then we couldn't snuggle, so we were mad that we bought it. So that's in the basement, now fitting down there for like a reading room. And then our couch, we did have one we bought off his brother a few years ago. It was okay, but it wasn't the comfort of our one from 15 years ago. And so it took us a while to really figure out what we wanted. And oh my gosh, we love it. So I'm going to hop off of here so that you can check it out. But Ashley Furniture has furniture in stock. They have great prices. So I'm giving them a plug right now. You're not going to have to wait forever. You won't have to wait months and months and months. Like, my parents bought furniture when they moved to their new place, and they still don't have it. And that's been months ago. Like, I'm so happy we went with Ashley. We bought Jonathan a bed frame from another store, and it's still not in either. So we got all our bedroom furniture, our living room furniture in 2 weeks. So check them out if you're looking for new furniture, because, oh my gosh, that is amazing. So I'm going to hop off, go catch my replay, and you'll get to see all the furniture. So we'll talk to you later. Bye.